What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. I'm a little salty. I recorded this whole trade on OBS and it didn't save, or I can't find it at least. So I guess I'm gonna just break it down. I was hoping to have. I literally was like talking through this whole trade since probably 9:45, 10:30, playing guitar, shooting hoops, playing with the dogs, celebrating TP. It's crazy. Um. So yeah. Anyways. Again, if anybody has any information or knows how to work computers better than I do, can you please reach out to me so I can figure out how to live stream better and record my trades better? Because I would like to start showing my actual like live entries and exits. I just leave if I leave Clip Champ up too long, it closes down. It says relaunch error. OBS never saves the dang video. I can't like customize the screen for how I want to be on there. So let's get into it. Today was kind of crazy. I definitely wanted this gap fill so bad, dude. Been waiting for it literally all week since Monday. Um, I had a feeling we were gonna get it today. We obviously had to break some key levels here, which would be a key level of Tuesday. Um, and we did. We broke below it pre-market. Pre-market made a big move, right? Anytime pre-market makes a big move, it's going to be choppy. We know this. I told you this. But right off open, we made a nice candle down, and I did see that it was oversold, very oversold. And on the 2 minute, it was not really bullish divergence, but I guess slight right there, whatever. But this is what stopped me out. So I got FOMO and I got impatient, right? So I got FOMO that this trade was gonna go. So I entered right here. I didn't wait for the confirmation afterwards. This candle closed. I saw volume. I was like, it's not that high. I was like, it's still, almost half of it. It's got a tank. Nope. Boom. Pushed it right up to my 685.5 level. So this was stop out along this 5 minute candle is when I took my losses. And then I waited. This happened. Then we flagged. And then we failed to make a higher high. So this candle right here, more volume starting to pick back up. We're more towards the middle of the RSI. I like that better for a reject. So then I go puts here and then add here, trim some here, add some more here, and the Discord. Yeah, we ended up making 130% on it, but it was hard, man. It was a very hard hold. Should stop. No, so only loss should have been the first entry. I'm convinced we gotta go to 679. Let's see. Tesla smacked. Yeah, we hit Tesla too. These SPY puts up 20%. Everyone should be up pretty good now in SPY puts. If you entered with me, safe trim. Rest is going for gap fill. Feel free to take full profits at 50%. I'm still holding one for this gap fill. 50% is amazing. And then 90%, 130%, and that was my gap fill. We were running out of time. We got no more time left in the day. So I was hoping for that push, and this was that push that got it, that got us out. So that was nice that we got that, and then amazing hold on there. So yeah, it definitely took a while. It was a lot of holding. The reason why I held it is because we never made a higher high above this level, right? If we broke above, like my original stop loss was 686. Yeah, right here. New stop loss, 686. And I said high risk because we are in a choppy zone, right? So we're in pre-market levels, high risk, but stop loss 686. So you put your stop loss right here at 686, and boom, see, we never touch it. So there's no reason to sell yet. And if you're looking at your P&L, yeah, you're probably going crazy. Um, The ways that I was able to manipulate it was obviously I knew that we were gonna bounce here. So as soon as we consolidated right there and then gave up that volume, this was a good exit, right? This was a good trim, and then this was a good reentry or add to current puts, and then hold, and we just held this whole time. So then after we got this drop, the new stop loss became 684.70. And after we got this drop, the new stop loss became 684.10. And then we just went. So this was as soon as we broke this, that was the retrace, closed below beautifully, stayed right there, and pushed down. So that's what we like to see. That's how I trailed that trade and how I stayed in it so long. Granted, I hate staying in trades as long as we did today. It literally was all day, bro. I hate that. I hate that so much. So you can see how ugly it was. Nvidia didn't even watch today. Tesla was gorgeous, gorgeous setup on Tesla that we missed, and Meta too. We set it pre-market too. Tesla had a beautiful break and failure of this 453 level that we had, and could have grabbed this retest right there to the downside to target this 443 level. So that was super nice. Should have definitely paid more attention to other stocks. Like SPY took all day. I could have been done with Tesla by 10:30, which is more ideal for me, right? I hate sitting here all day. Meta, another stock. I didn't even look at it, and again, broke below lows, came back above, reclaimed, stayed strong, broke right here. You could take that at 665 to the upside to go target these previous swing highs at 679. That's an amazing 665 to 679. That's a $14 move, bro. Crazy. So, whatever. Missed out today for sure. Amazon had earnings. Gorgeous. It went straight above. What was that level that I had? Yeah. So, gorgeous all-time highs. And everything else, I mean, essentially is down. I always redo my drawings every day. But yeah, I like to hit that 678. See what we do here. Hit this, hit that 676 there. Break that. And then, yeah, take that baby down. Hit that baby downtown. Boom. All right. So we still got some nice moves ahead of us. So ugly, dude. It's just so ugly up here. Ugh. Yeah, same level that we had. Would you look at that? So anyways, Nvidia, chop it. Monolithic power forecast fourth quarter revenue above estimates on AI boost. I believe it. So that was really it today. Tesla, and my brother called Tesla, so he caught Tesla, and that was good. I was messing around with fucking SPY too much, so I missed it. Yep. Yes, it sure did. It usually does. So yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you learned something. Levels matter. Levels. And then you just wait to see what price does off of these levels and then play it like that. All right. We're obviously in a bearish sentiment. We want to go down. We broke below the PDLs. We retested and failed the PDL and could take it to the next low, which would be the 447.30 and then 443. And it freaking hits. And then, yeah, right here should have been actually right there. 440. Come on. Shimona. Gorgeous. All right, y'all. If you want to learn more, you want to learn this yourself, hit me up. I love one-on-one. So far, every single person in my one-on-one has made back their money by the time we finished it. And that's pretty much my goal with everybody. So reach out, let me know. It's your boy Mike Lowy. We out.